Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today we'll do a simplification problem. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. It is in the first bracket. If we eliminate the bracket, we can write as 3 into 3. Then 3 into 3 is equal to 9. But it is totally wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS rule. The rule you have to follow for to solve this question is PEMDAS rule. In this PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division has same priority. Addition, subtraction also has same priority. You have to follow another rule, left to right rule of the expression. It is means which comes first, you have to do first. In this equation, we'll do first parenthesis. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. If we eliminate the parenthesis, we can write 5 into 3. Then multiplication. 8 minus 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 8 minus 15 is equal to minus 7. It is the answer. If you have different opinion, please comment.